Yeah, yes.
Hi Prashant, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, sir. What about you, sir?
I'm good too. Thank you. Can you tell us something
Yes,
about
sir.
yourself?
Yeah, sure, sir. I am Prashantar. I am from Shimoga, Karnataka. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering at PS Institute of Technology and Management, Shimoga, in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. And I have done my major project on transmission line fault detection, in which means it detects the fault using Arduino. It detects the fault high voltage, over voltage, under voltage, as well as short circuit, as well as open circuit. And I have a knowledge of Java, SQL, manual testing, as well as Selenium automation. And coming to my strengths, I'm self motivated and self confident. I'm coming to my strengths. I'm very much interested in physical fitness and traveling. This is all about me, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So why you are looking for making your career in IT industry? You have done electrical, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
From initial day itself, I'm interested in IT, but due to some circumstance, I'm not able to get into IT. Now I am capable enough and have a IT knowledge. Okay, I am capable enough to kickstart my career in IT. I'm passionate about testing as well. In my project, I have also done testing the sensors. It's like that. Yeah,
What is the difference between abstract classes and interface?
yeah. Abstract class. Abstract class is an incomplete class. It's end with the double colon. We're not able to create an object for an abstract as well as interface, but we can refer to the subclass object. Means upcasting, referring superclass referring to the subclass object.
Mhm.
But we need to override the abstract methods in super subclass. We need to override the abstract method in subclass, or else we need to declare that class as abstract. Abstract class is declared with the abstract keyword, and method also declared with the abstract keyword. It's about an abstraction used to achieve in, yeah, abstraction means heading the internal implementation and providing the functionality to the user. Then
Mm.
output of the abstraction is loose coupling. Loose coupling means change in the implementation but not affect the user. It's called loose coupling. Coming to interface is the intermediate between the user and the device. And interface used to achieve 100% abstraction. And we use implements keyword to extend the implements keyword to inherit the properties of one class to the other class. And interface have abstract methods as well as a JDK 1.8 I think version. It can have a static concrete class, static methods. Sorry, yeah, default methods, static default by itself, static default methods.
Okay. So whatever pointers, whatever line items that you were telling, those were for abstract class or abstraction. Now,
Yeah,
the question is, what is the difference between two abstract classes and interface?
yeah. Both we cannot able to create a object for
Okay.
both the abstract class as well as the interface.
Yeah. So that is the similarity between abstract class and interface, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, what is the difference between abstract class and interface?
It is declared with the abstract keyword. It is
Mhm.
declared with the interface keyword.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Yes, sir, that's it.
Okay. See, abstract class can provide the complete or it has default code or just the details that have to be overridden. Right now, interfaces
Yes,
cannot provide any code at all. It is just the signature. Right?
yes, sir.
In case of abstract class, a class may extend only one abstract class. But in case of interface, a class may implement several
Yeah, yeah,
interfaces.
got it, sir.
Abstract class can be public, it can be protected, it can be private, right? Interface visibility needs to be public only, or it needs to be
Yes, sir.
managed. Then abstract class can contain constructors, interface cannot contain constructors. And if we add a new method to some XYZ abstract class, then we have the option of providing default implementation, right? And therefore,
Yes,
your existing code will work properly as it is. But let's say if you provided a new method, if you added a new method to an interface, then we have to track down all the implementations of the interface and define
Yeah,
implementation for the new method, right? So that is the difference
yeah,
between
got it.
abstract class and interface.
Yeah,
Okay.
got it.
Now, yeah. What are the different types of inheritance in Java?
In, first of all, inheritance means acquiring the properties and state and behaviors of one class to the other class. Means parent class to the child class, super class to the subclass.
Hmm.
There are five levels: single level, multi-level, multiple, hierarchical, and hybrid in it.
Are
Single
you
level
sure
means a class.
multiple is also available?
No, no, no.
Hmm.
In inheritance, by using extend keyword is not possible because
Hmm.
of ambiguity while calling the methods, while inheriting the methods, and while calling the constructors. It is not possible by using class. We can achieve by using interface. Multiple inheritance. Yeah,
Right.
it is not possible by using inheritance. Implements keyword is possible.
Hmm. Then can you give us definition for what is
Yeah, yeah,
single
yeah, sure, sure.
inheritance, multi-level,
Yeah, yeah.
hierarchical, hybrid?
Mhm. Sure, sure. A class extends another class. One class is called single level. A class extends another class. That class extends another class, subclass. That's called multi. And multiple means it is not possible.
Hmm.
And hierarchical means one superclass which extends more than two subclasses is called
Hmm.
hierarchical. Hybrid means it's combination of multiple and hierarchical
Hmm.
inheritance. It's about.
Okay. Okay. So what is method overloading and what is method overriding?
Yeah, yeah. Method overloading means in a class, if you're having a more than one method, two or more methods, with change in the parameter, change in the sequence of parameter, change in the data type of the parameter is called method overloading. Method overriding means providing, yeah, providing the subclass specific method implementation. Means uh, we need to inherit the properties. Then only can possible to override the methods. Means providing the subclass method specific implementation means the method name must be same and data type, return type must be same. Only we change in the logic. That's it. It's called method overriding.
Okay. Can you write one simple program explaining method overloading and method overriding? I have given you screen sharing rights. You can click on
Sure,
the
sure,
green
sure, sir.
button here and you can
Yeah,
write
yeah.
in any of your comfortable tool, Notepad, IDE, Eclipse, anything.
Yeah, sure, sure, sir.
Yeah, just click on share screen.
Yeah, it's visible, sir.
Yes, yes, it's visible.
Yeah, fine, fine, fine. Go with the Eclipse.
Fine, fine. Whichever you are comfortable with.
Yeah, yeah, fine. Sure. Method overloading and method overriding, right, sir?
Yes.
throw, throwers.
Okay, great. Can you explain this program? Which one you have written? Method overriding or method overload?
Method overloading services.
Method overloading. Okay.
Yeah,
So yeah.
yeah.
Hmm.
I took one class add,
Hmm.
and I declared a method with add
Hmm.
method, and I declare parameters int a and int b, int a and int b, and
Hmm.
I take another one. I put one output statement
Hmm.
and a plus b, and I took another one
Hmm.
method called which contains the three parameter. Is
Hmm.
change in the same methods, same name methods, but change the parameter and sequence of parameter. And took a main method, and I created object because of it is a non-static methods.
Hmm.
So I created object. By that object reference, I call these methods. I giving these values. This about method overloading.
Hmm. Are you sure this is method overloading?
Yes,
Okay. Then what about method overriding?
I will write, sir. I will write.
Hmm.
I take another. Sir, this is about.
Okay, so this is method overriding.
Yeah.
Okay, now let me share my screen and I want you to write the program. In this particular program, which you have written method overriding, you have void start, one method is there. Then you have just, okay, so you don't have any other function apart from this. Class bike extends vehicle. Any other function that you have created? Hello, Prashant, you are not audible. Hello, Prashant, am I audible? I cannot hear you. Hello, Prashant. I think your headphones got disconnected, or maybe their charging is completed. They have got discharged, it seems. I'm not able to hear you. Or you can remove headphones for some time. That is also fine. Yeah, remove your headphones for now. Hello. No, still not audible. Okay. So first of all, let us see the program, right? For method overriding. So is my screen visible?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. So this was the program that you were writing. So you had written from here, I think class bike extends vehicle. So before that, you will have to write class vehicle. In that, you will have to create one method, simple method,
Yes, sir.
SOP, right? And then
Yes.
you can extend that particular method and you can create an object. You can call the
Okay.
method with child class instance, right? So this is method
Yes.
overriding example. Now tell me what
Yes.
will be the, yeah, what will be the output of this program? You are able to see the program, right? Class
Yeah. Yeah.
overloading.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what will be the output of
Mm,
this program?
mm. No, both the methods having a same equal parameters, same data type.
Hmm.
So I think it's a compile time error
Correct, correct. The answer is absolutely right. It will throw a
because
compile
both of
time
them
error.
having the same
Yeah,
parameter as well as same name.
yeah,
That is why it's called compile time
right.
error.
Because
Yeah. Yeah.
one type is not depromoted implicitly, right? Double cannot
Yes.
be depromoted to any type implicitly. So that is why it will give
Yes.
you the compile time error.
Yes.
Wonderful. Okay, now your video is not on. Hello, Prashant.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm not able to see you. Please turn
Some
on your
problem.
video. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Already turned on, but
Okay, okay, no worries. Maybe network connectivity issue. So what
yes,
is the
sir.
difference between retesting and regression testing?
Testing the testing the if a developer give the software means we need to we give the software means the developer give the software for us and we need to retest that we need to test that defect is fixed or not. That's
Hmm.
called retesting. Regression testing means testing the unchanged feature of an application make sure that it is not affected by the changes. It's called retesting. Uh, it is the it is
That's called
both.
regression.
We go for automation. Retesting go for will not go for automation. Regression you go for automation.
Okay. How will you identify whether this test case should be automated or not?
Because of repeated execution of test cases means in the regression we having unit testing and regional regression testing as well as full regression testing. By this we get to know which when the product is functionally stable, it is working up to 2 to 3 cycle it is tested means it is working stable means then you can say that it is product is stable, it is working for a regression. It will be having a major or critical defect in starting only means so we're not able to go for a regression.
Okay. What is the difference between localization and internationalization?
Internalization means testing the application it develop for multiple languages.
Hmm.
It's called internalization. Localization means testing the application for country codes, formal country codes,
Hmm.
and US dollars means currencies, flags. It's about localization.
Okay. So let this be an open question for the people who are watching this video. What is the difference between localization and internationalization or globalization? Now, what is the difference between get and post method?
Get and post.
Hmm.
Get is used to get the current URL of the application. Yeah, my post I
So
didn't
do
get.
you know about Java servlets?
No, sir, no,
So
sir.
that this
I know about
question,
JDBC, right? I
okay.
circulate. I don't know.
Yeah, this question is a part of Java servlets. What is the difference between get and post method? So get is nothing but limited amount of data can be sent because data is sent in header, while post means
Yeah,
large amount of data can be sent because data is sent in body. Again, for get, not secured because data is exposed in URL bar. Post means it is secured because data is not exposed in the URL bar. Get can be bookmarked, post cannot be bookmarked, right? It get means it is more efficient and used more than post, while post is less efficient, right? So that is the difference.
yes.
Okay. What is cache? What do you know about
Sorry,
cache?
sir.
Yeah, what do you know about
Cache.
cache? Yeah, caching mechanism. Let's say you hit the URL and you work on that particular website, and then again you are redirected to that particular URL. So that is cache. So what is cache?
No, sir, I'm not getting. I think it's Selenium. I don't know. It is not or Java.
Okay, okay, no worries. So thank you so much, Prashant, for coming on our channel, and wish
Yeah,
you all
yes.
the best for your career ahead. Yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
thank you. Thank you.